Welcome to Shape Safari, where we discover shapes in nature. Are you ready for an exciting adventure? First, let's meet our shapes. We have a circle, square, triangle, and rectangle. Can you remember those? Now, let's go on a shape hunt. Look around. What shapes can you find in nature? Look, here's a beautiful flower. It has round petals. That's a circle. Can you see any other circles around? Next, let's find a square. Oh, look, there's a birdhouse. It's a square. Can you spot any other squares nearby? Now, here's a triangle. Look at that mountain in the distance. Its shape is a triangle. What other triangles can you find? Finally, let's look for rectangles. Check out that picnic blanket. It's a rectangle. Can you find anything else that looks like a rectangle? Great job, Shape Explorers! Let's review the shapes we found. The circle from the flower, the square from the birdhouse, the triangle from the mountain, and the rectangle from the picnic blanket. You did amazing on our Shape Safari. Remember, shapes are all around us in nature. Keep exploring and finding shapes every day. See you next time. Shape Explorers, bye.